que el juego rebotaba tanto. ¿Sabes? ¡Ah! ¡Ay! ¡Ay! ¿Dónde estás? Ven aquí. Acá está otro lado. ¡Ah!
Me sigo arrastrando, no sé por qué.
Yo también no paro de arrastrarme.
Ya, me rompí 36 huesos, 178 ligamentos torcidos, una articulación y
Eh,
eso.
¿36 huesos? Yo me rompí 75. Escúchame, búho, cambiemos de mapa. Vamos al mapa número 2, ¿ok? Más alto.
Ahí voy.
Vamos. Acá estamos. Bueno, chicos, estamos en la parte 2, en el mapa número 2. Si dejan muchos likes, voy a traer a mi hijo el ciervo. Porque también tengo un hijo, ¿saben? Mi hijo el ciervo. ¡Eh! ¿Ya llegaste, búho? ¿Qué pasa?
Sí, aquí estoy, nos lanzamos.
¡Juntos! ¡Vamos, búho! ¿Qué es
No
eso?
sé, pero, me dice cómo nos arrastramos mucho.
Me rompí menos huesos. Ay, no
A
puede ser.
volar,
¿Ya
los
te volviste a
pollitos
lanzar?
vuelan.
Guay. Ven acá, búho, ven acá. Ay, que la gente comente a quién prefiere, al ciervo o al búho. Ah, yo digo
Siempre
que
van
al
a
ciervo.
preferir al búho,
No, 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 me caí al agua, no.
Ja, ja.
No puede ser. Ok, vamos a probar otro nivel. ¿Qué nivel quieres probar? A ver, dime.
Vamos a probar el nivel número 3, eso me sonaría mucho mejor.
Ok, vamos al 3. Esto tiene que ser más alto. Chicos, vamos a ver. ¿Ya estás aquí? Es al 3. A ver.
Sí, aquí estoy.
No, sí, seguro que estás porque no te veo, ¿eh?
Aquí estoy.
Oye, espera, búho.
Lánzate. ¿Qué pasa?
Que está muy alto. Creo que esto ya es demasiado, ¿eh?
Lánzate.
Es una paloma. Es una paloma. No tiene miedo porque planea. Bueno. ¡Ahí te voy! Recuérdenme como un buen ciervo. ¡Ay! ¡Ay! ¡Ah! ¡Ah! ¡Ay! Así que este es el final del ciervo de 99 noches en el bosque. ¿Un gato? ¡Ah! ¡Ay! ¡Ay, qué rico! Personas. ¡Ay, personas! ¿Qué te parece, búho, si comemos a todos los que están con huesos rotos? ¿Eh?
Eso sería muy bueno y apetitoso. ¡Ay, yo
Oh,
también
es
tengo
verdad.
huesos rotos! ¡No me comas!
¿Te volviste a lanzar?
Sí.
Podría aprovechar, chicos, que toda esta gente se está rompiendo los huesos y me los como. ¿Tú qué dices? ¡Niam! ¿Qué le pasa? ¡Bueno, y me lanzo otra vez! Búho, prepárate que luego de este de lanzamiento épico me voy al nivel número 4. Creo que puedo hacer algo. ¡Ay! ¿Qué pasó con mis huesos?
Ten
¡Ay!
mucho cuidado con tus huesos, ¿sabes?
¡Ay! ¡Ay! ¿Qué le pasa? Ese tipo no respeta nada. ¡Ay! Ok. Ahora sí, búho. Vamos al nivel número 4, ¿ok?
Sí. De hecho, me acabo de lanzar del nivel número 4.
No, ¿por qué? ¿Qué te pasa? ¿Sabes qué? Olvídalo. Voy a demostrar a los chicos que yo soy el mejor. Me voy al último nivel de todos. Espera un momento. 6, 7, 8. ¿Tienes el nivel número 9?
No.
Tengo el 9. ¿Cuál es el máximo que tienes?
Déjame ver. Tengo que dejar de rebotar. Espera un momento. Ahora sí, me
Ok.
voy al número...
¿Qué te pasa?
me voy al número 9. Ya estoy aquí en el 9.
Ok, voy al 9, voy al 9, voy al 9. Y este de acá sí es muy alto. Estamos en una zona que hace frío. Así que bueno. Este es nuestro último lanzamiento. ¡Búho,
Sí,
vamos! ¡Au! ¡Ay! ¡Ay! ¡Ay, no! Ahora sí me da la conmoción. ¡Ay, no! ¡Ay! ¡Ay! Y ahora siento mi cuerpo, búho. ¡Ay, y ahora sí ya! Mamita, nivel número 9 estuvo muy difícil. No, 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 al agua, no, al agua, no, ¡ah, búho! Caldito de búho y caldito de ciervo. Ah, Bueno chicos, espero que les haya gustado nuestro video. Es nuestra primera vez jugando minijuegos de Roblox junto al búho de 99 noches en el bosque. Suscríbanse y dejen su like. Hola, ¿qué tal chicos y chicas? Bienvenidos a un nuevo video. Soy Dogman, el perro policía. Bueno chicos, el día de hoy estamos, ya saben, vigilando la ciudad de Roblox. Vamos al nivel número 4, ¿ok?
Ah, sí, de hecho me acabo de lanzar del nivel número 4.
No, ¿por qué? ¿Qué te pasa? ¿Sabes qué? Olvídalo.
Hiya, pals, it's me, Mickey Munch. And in this video, I have 3 goals. Survive 99 nights in this forest. Rescue 4 kids. And make it out alive. And I know I can't do this alone. So I've called for backup.
All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas.
I'm heading back There's a kid! Sammy, let's go! Did you just stuff the kid in your bag? Oh my god, let's get out of here! Yes, pinata! Pinata! Use them as a pinata! Pinata! Oh, there's a wolf. Oh my god! Oh, where are we? Oh. Okay, let's explore. Okay, what it says chop trees, then place wood on the fire. Okay, let's go chop some.
I am quite a physical specimen.
I don't see what's scary about this game. It's just chopping down trees, nothing scary about that. I'm heading back!
That's Minecraft.
Oh, Minecraft.
Some people who hate touching grass and going outside.
Grass, what's that? Okay, we're almost halfway there, guys. This seems easy. 99 nights? I can do 100. Hey, Pluto. You got an axe? Go kill that bunny over there.
Whoa, whoa.
Come on, we need food! We need food! Get him!
Whoa, hey, wait a minute.
Yes! All right. Okay, chill out. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the Emo Mouse Plush. This Monday at 9 a.m. PST, you'll be able to purchase my very first plushie. I'm collaborating with Makeshift to bring my depression to your homes. He's got the style, the piercing, and the classic brooding hair. Make sure you show him all your love to cheer him up. Even though we all know that there's nothing that can make him happy. Ah! Make sure to beg your moms and dads to purchase the South Little Rodent. On sale Monday, or might already be on sale by the time you're watching this. The link is in the description. Okay, back to the video.
Night is approaching. Hey, fellas, should we be building a shelter of some kind?
Oh, you're right. Okay, we need to start crafting using this crafting bench. Do you guys hear that growling, or is that just me? You know what? I'm gonna explore, and I'm gonna kill whatever's growling over here.
All right.
Pluto, wolf, kill it! Pluto! Wait, do you guys hear that? Guys, over here! Wait, guys, over here. There's something over here. Oh my god! He's right there! Wait, he seems nice. He seems nice.
Oh my god, what is that? Hey, Pluto, go get it.
Oh, Pluto, no! Ah! Oh, you ran away. All right, at least we survived. Let's go chop some more wood, guys. We need to start building a house.
The next day.
Missing kid?
Oh my fellers, there's a cabin right over here.
Oh, a cabin! I call the bed. Anyone home? Note from Hunter. This guy's asking for a bunny foot. Hey, would a dog foot suffice, or a duck foot? Are you trying to kill me with the axe? Alright, fine. Alright, what can we craft? The Let's see.
Well, not much.
Let's save up for a wall. Guys, we need 12 wood. Get to work. Worst comes to worst, we might have to eat each other. Let's start with Pluto. I heard fried duck sounds good too, so. Oh! What the? So, ah! She's right there! Oh, good job, Pluto!
For the hunting type, not the wolves.
Alright, let's upgrade our crafting bench. Alright, I'm placing our first wall! Our first wall! Hot dog!
Oh, this is the beginning of something beautiful. I can feel it.
Okay, I'm gonna read about this missing kid over here. Dino kid. Let's see. Oh, he's this way! He's 300 meters this way. Guys, I think it's time to explore.
All right.
Let's go find the missing kid. Oh, is this where the... Oh, there's a bear trap. Careful. Wait, we need to... Oh, we need to kill all the wolves. We need to kill all the wolves. Kill the wolves. Kill the wolves. That was a close one.
Okay.
Careful. Oh, hot dog.
Coming for you.
Dino kid, you will be attacked. What? Guys? We're nowhere near our fire. There's the kid. Okay, take him. Take him. Let's go. Did you just stuff the kid in your bag? Oh my God, let's get out of here. Everyone, back to shelter. Which way? Which way's back? This way. Where's Goofy? Where's Goofy?
Hey, don't worry, fellers.
Okay.
I found something to help us against that evil that we might be facing.
Okay, we don't have enough walls. A mysterious group? Oh, it's the people we saw earlier.
All right, stand back, everybody.
Okay,
I've got this covered.
Where are they?
There they are.
Use your flashlight. No, come near us. Come to us. You don't mess with the gang, pal. You don't mess with my pals. Oh, we're rich.
Hey.
We're rich.
Wait.
Guys, pinata. Use them as a pinata. Use your axe. Pinata. Okay, we found one kid. We have 3 more to go. Next kid. His name is Kraken Kid. He's this way. Okay, let's restock first. Gather some more wood. And then we'll head out to save this Kraken Kid. Alright.
All right. Wash my hands.
Oh.
Do.
Goofy,
Hey, she's all yours.
I just need to use the bathroom. Oh my God!
I'm still hungry.
Ooh,
Me too.
Hey, Cole, we need that.
Oh, there's a wolf.
Something's going on.
Oh boy.
Oh my God! The owl wasn't woken up. Guys, don't get taken by the owl.
I'll try my hardest. Oh, I see it right there.
Where?
Oh, it's
Kill
after
it!
us.
Kill it! We'll use a flashlight.
Oh, I'm not really sure how.
He's scared by the light. Okay, we got rid of him. All right, let's go find this kid.
Gloves.
Did we sing a song on the way there? It'd be a long walk.
No need good
That
gloves.
was
99 bottles of milk on the wall. 99 bottles of milk.
You take
Pass one down, pass it around. 98 bottles of milk on the wall. Ah, another one of those group members again. War!
I'm fighting this one.
Die!
Uh-oh.
Oh,
I
our
can
gun.
open
Who's
the
good with the
chest.
gun? Who's good with the gun? All right, pal. I guess I'll take it. It's not my first time using a gun. Hey, Rose. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
A gun. Oh, there's a radio. Does someone want to try to see if that works?
Oh, yeah, let me try.
All right.
Oh, this is my favorite song.
I hate this song!
Hey, I was listening to that.
Oh, God. Don't worry, I have a gun.
Relax.
Take that, pal. This isn't my first time with a gun. Oh, where'd you find another radio?
Oh, wait. Let's see if I can listen to my favorite song.
Stop!
I take your breath,
Oh,
Skills.
Goofy, go talk to him! Goofy, go talk to him! He's back! Goofy, oh my God, no! Oh, it's a wolf! Oh right, guys. Well, we tried. We didn't get to the 99 nights, and we didn't save the kids, but at least we tried. Right, guys?
Yeah.
Well, I wouldn't want to survive 99 nights with anybody else. Thank you, guys.
Pluto, did my dog just talk?